What's the meaning of conscript? Conscript. Conscript.
Conscript. Conscript. The word conscript can be used as a noun or a verb. As a noun, it refers to a person who is compulsorily enrolled in military service. As a verb, it means to enroll someone in military service by force, or to draft someone into the armed forces. Conscripting individuals is often seen as a controversial practice, with arguments being made for and against it. Ultimately, conscripting individuals into military service results in more soldiers available for combat, but it comes at the cost of personal freedoms and individual liberties.